Three myths carried by the overweight people in terms of food. Friends, in India, we can find many different culture in different regions of India. And we all have some kinds of ritual and some kinds of myths related to our food. And today, I have picked three of them which are most common so that you can adapt some changes in your life and can have the benefit of health. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, as we all know that we all really want to lose our fat and lose our weight and have some fitness level in our life. I still remember those days when I really wanted to eat some foods, but just because of my negative beliefs on those foods, I was not able to do that. That's why it took so much time for me to understand that what are the benefits of food and how to see all these benefits. It's been more than 10 years for me to adapt these new habits. And that's why I was able to make changes in my health and whatever I am today just because of those foods and those changes which I am going to discuss with you right now. The myth number one or the superstition number one, that rice can make you fat. I truly believe that the rice has highest glycogen index level, but it does not mean it makes you fat. Definitely, it can raise your insulin level, but we do not take care whenever we have a tea along with sugar. Then why we are taking care about the rice? Vehicles also. That's why it is really good for your health. If we compare a 50 gram of wheat flour along with the 50 gram of rice, they both have the same level of energy into them. But in terms of volume, the wheat flour can make 2 or 1 chapati, but the rice can be that much. So that's why have some rice, because the volume of the food is the key to lose your weight. That's why have some rice. You're going to have the two grains in your life. One is wheat, another one is rice. And the second thing which you're going to really enjoy are different types of dishes which can be made up of rice. It doesn't mean that what kind of rice you are having, it always matters what kind of quantity you are having. Have some and enjoy your health along with taste. Now, the second thing which I like to talk about is fats. Friends, I was really fond of the ghee and butter in my life, but as I always wanted to lose my weight, but that's why I did not have the butter and ghee on chapatis, on rice in my food for more than 10 years. I cannot bring those 10 years again in my life, but I really like to request to all of you that ghee and butter are the natural saturated fats which are really good for our health. If we compare the tablespoon of vegetable oil along with the tablespoon of ghee, they both are the equal. So that's why there is no big difference between both of them. Then why we are not taking care of the taste part? Even if we talk about the olive oil also, it has also a highest burning point. But ghee and butter, they both are quite good. If you include ghee and coconut oil into your diet, then definitely it gives you so much health benefits. It gives you it will be good for your liver, it will be good for your heart, it will be good for your cholesterol, because there are some fat which are required and which are known as the good cholesterol. Ghee and coconut oil contains most of them. Even you should include some butter also. If you include these tasty fats in your diet, then it will make your food tastier, healthier, and you're not going to see other things in your life or other junk food, because you already have a tastier food in your home. So that's why use the fat science in your food, in your recipes, and have them and build your health. Even the dry fruits like almonds, they are really made up of omega-3 fatty acids, which are the essential fatty acids. Essential fatty acids, it means that our body cannot produce itself. That's why we need from other sources. If we do not provide these sources to our body, then definitely our body will become malnutritionist. So that's why have them in your diet and enjoy the benefit of health. For many years I did not have, but I don't want you to do the same mistake which I committed. Now, friends, I like to talk about the third myth. The third myth is not about the food. The third myth, what we purchase from supermarkets or market. I'm talking about the health drinks like Bournvita and Complan. I don't want to blame on these companies because they really use some kinds of taste habits of people and make them addicted, and they market themselves that they are the healthier drinks, but they are not. They are made up of sugar, and sugar produces hormonal disbalance in our body. That's why if we stop taking sugar, 50% of our fats or 50% of our weight issues or our health issue will be decreased automatically. That's why you should not buy these health drinks. You should not buy protein bars. You should not buy cornflakes. You always need to read about the label that does it has trans fat and does it has sugar. If whatever kind of sugar product it has, you should not buy them. Have some natural things in your life. We all are having the natural things which are cheap, which are tastier. We just need to apply some science and some skills to prepare them tastier. For example, if we have a curd in morning breakfast along with simple veg parathas, definitely it will be great for our health and it will give us more energy. Or in night, if we have small food along with dalia, along with milk, then it will be really good for our health. So that's why try to make your diet something like this. Friends, to help you out, I have created an ebook. The link I'm giving you in the description so that you can download and can have the benefits of health, and you can start your health journey with your diet schedule and with some beginner workouts. If you want me to give you the diet schedules, if you want me to give you the guidance on workouts and health, then feel free to contact me. I can help you out to lose your 10 kgs weight within 3 months. Friends, this is Bhupendra signing out for now. I just wish for all of you to know your fitness.